Our today's topic is money. Money works in the same way as other decimals, but whole pounds can be written with or without the decimal point. Examples: 73 pounds can be written as either pound 73 or pound 73.00. We got to note an important point that the pound sign always comes before the amount, the given amount. Example, pound 639.0. This is the right way to write the amount. If we write it as 639.0 pounds, that is going to be wrong. More points to be noted. Small amounts, usually under pound 1, can be written in pence. Pound 0.67 can be written as 67 pence. Pound 0.08 can be written as 8 pence. Pound 0.93 can be written as 93 pence. Changing pence into pounds. We take example over here. Write in pounds this amount, 34 pence. While changing from pence to pound, the given pence amount should be divided by 100. So 34 divided by 100 would give us pound 0.34 as the answer. Write 9 pence in pounds. Again, we divide 9 by 100. We get pound 0.09 as the answer. Changing pound into pence. We take the same example. Write in pence this amount, 34 pounds. While changing from pound to pence, we multiply by 100. So 34 into 100 would give us pound 3400 as the answer. The second example, write 9 pounds in pence. So 9 into 100 is going to give us 900 pence as the answer. Now there are some arithmetical operations with money that we are going to solve. There are 4 questions, A, B, C, D. In the A part, we are supposed to find the sum of the given amounts. Pound 3.27 plus pound 4.88. Here, the sum is going to be, after the addition, we get as pound 8.15. The B part, we are supposed to do the subtraction of the given amounts. Pound 6.50 minus pound 1.74. So the difference is going to be pound 4.75, which is going to be the answer. The C part is telling us that we are supposed to divide. Pound 14.25 divided by 3. When we do the division, we get the quotient as pound 4.75. And in the D part, we'll multiply 83 pence into 22. We get 1826 as the answer. This number can be changed into pounds by dividing it by 100. Hence, 1826 divided by 100 would give us 18.26. Now we'll be discussing few word problems with money. Find the cost of 6 railway tickets that are priced at pound 2.34 each. Now, how are we going to solve this? If each ticket's price is pound 2.34, ticket T1 price is pound 2.34, Ticket T2 price is pound 2.34. Hence, the price of all the 6 tickets is going to be 6 into 2.34. The answer would be as pound 14.04. The next question. A man had pound 435.68. Then he spent pound 178.90. How much money does he have left? The solution to this, the man had pound 435.68 and he spent pound 178.90. Hence, his spent amount is getting subtracted from the final amount. So the remaining amount is going to be pound 435.68 minus pound 178.90. The difference would be pound 256.78, which is going to be the answer. Thank you.